Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Thursday 21st of June with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at cable, which continues to fall away. Yesterday's move, a little bit of a doji candle actually, but they came underneath the resistance at 3203, which is basically 32 figure. That old support becomes new resistance and the market has fallen back again. A test of 3025, which is the October-November lows, certainly seems to be on the cards as the market continues to fall away. Another sort of 30 odd pips down on the day, another sort of new multi-month low formed today. Look at the momentum indicators all dropping in bearish sequence, all suggesting that there is further downside potential as well. And it doesn't look all that great, does it, for sterling at the moment? But we do have the Bank of England today, and the Bank of England will be really watched to as exactly how it sort of starts to guide for rate hikes potentially this year. I say rate hikes plural, it's certainly not going to be plural, it's going to be one at best. And I think that it's going to try and keep its options open, not sort of necessarily close the door on August, but still sort of keep its options open. Now, how does that play into sterling? Well, expectations on sterling seem to be fairly rock bottom at the moment, so it's it could even start to give sterling a bit of a lift back higher if that were to be the case. But certainly at the moment, with sterling dropping away at sort of multi-month lows, looking to test probably 30 big figure at the moment on a technical basis anyway, it doesn't look all that positive. Breaking down again in the last few days, lower highs, lower lows. It's all sort of pointing towards the downside. Old support becomes new resistance, seems to be the case, and yeah, it's just continuing to flow to the downside. Any sort of unwinding move is sold into. Look at these MACD lines failing at neutral, RSI failing at 60. Little bit of a tick higher today. Maybe it could, as I said, get a pop to the upside on the Bank of England. Now the key factor will be, can 32 big figure be broken on the upside? If that is the case, then we could start to see a bit of a turnaround. But for now, going into the Bank of England, you'd still say that the technical outlook is pretty negative on sterling. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.